So Mark, we're here to talk about the open house you've got coming up in November, which is really exciting. First of all, how's the year been so far? It's 2025, end of January here at Southern Manufacturing. What's it been like?
Yeah, it's been good. Yeah. Hello, Rowan, by the way. Nice to see you here at Southern. Yes, January, I mean, it's fantastic. We came off the end of a very, very good year last year. All targets exceeded. And then generally we expect January to be quite quiet, but the level of machines that we sold in January, nobody expected.
Okay, really? Nice to have an over expectations January, definitely.
Definitely.
Can be quite a sad part of the year. So good year, good start to the year at least.
Yep.
You've got an open house coming up at the end of the year. What's going to be happening?
Yeah,
when is it?
obviously November is a fair way away, but we have quite a key new product that we're launching, which is a development from the machine that we have behind us. So the MX-520, towards the middle of the year, we're going to be holding stock of the machine that has full turning capabilities, and now up to 7 pallets.
Yeah, which is amazing. I mean, I guess you've never seen turning on a Matsuura before, have we?
Well, we have, yes, with the Cubilex, the slightly higher specification machine with up to 32 pallets. But with the MX-520, we are targeting a slightly different audience. The machine has 500 Newton meters of torque available on the table, 800 RPM, so it's designed for machining much harder materials.
Yeah, lower cutting
diameters.
speeds, but with massive torque behind it.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Okay, and for people who are listening to this and thinking that's quite interesting, but I've been using Matsuuras to do 5-axis machine milling all my life. Why would I need turning?
Well, there's a lot of mill turn centres out there, okay, and Matsuura's marketplace doesn't really sort of branch into that territory. But with the MX-520T, as soon as you start looking at mill turn centres, you've got a man loading a machine. Obviously, naturally with the Matsuura and every other Matsuura is that we're going to have automation as standard. So you are going to have an automated turning centre.